car looks on. Put it in drive, and it doesn't move. Not moving. Turn it off. Turn it back on. I'm getting the shakes.